Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can claim a $1,000 free file account that you can use to get started with trading without having to make any deposit of your own. All you have to do is just follow me to the end so you don't miss the step-by-step guide on how you can get this particular account. Now, showing on the screen is the site where we'll be getting this particular account, and this account is a very new account. Now, they are giving limited slots for this particular account. Only 2,000 people can be able to get this account worldwide. That's why I'm doing this account now. So please, when you come across this video, please do well to get this account so you don't miss out on the opportunity. Now, before I continue, if you know this is the first time of you coming across this channel or you've been watching videos from this channel, please do not forget to like, share, comment and subscribe so that you can get started with any updates that I drop on this particular channel. Now, to get this particular account, all you have to do is just click on the link that is in the description of this video. Take you right to my Telegram channel. Once you get there, click on join to bring you right to this part. Now, showing on the screen is where you'll be getting the 1,000 free funded account. As you can see right here, this is where you'll be getting started with this account. Now, all you have to do is just click on free 1K challenge. As you can see, click on free 1K challenge so we can get started in getting this particular account. Now, after clicking on it, all you have to do is just wait patiently. There might be a delay issue, but you have to wait patiently because of the traffic. People are trying to get this account this minute, so you have to be patient. When it gets slow, do not give up. Just wait patiently for it to load. Now, while we are waiting for this particular page to load, do not forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to this channel. Please do well to share it to others who will be willing to get this particular account. Now, showing on the screen is the sign up. As you can see, you have to get started with this particular account. Now, the things that you need to do is to put in these details right here to get started with this particular account. Then after that, you can just close this right here. Check email for your mystery account. You can decide to close this. Now, all you have to do is just click on create account again, and this will pop up right showing on the screen. Now, as you can see, the step that you need to take in getting this particular account, there are 3 steps to getting this particular account. The first one is to verify your email, you verify your WhatsApp, and you complete trading survey. As you can see right showing on the screen, these are the steps that you need to get started with. And after you're done with this process, you can come here and click on claim my free challenge. Now, the next thing we're going to be doing now is to head to the email for the message they have sent to us, so we can go ahead and verify this our email address. Now, let's get there. Let's get started. Now, before we go, as you can see, limited number of free challenge can be claimed per country each day. Now, let's get started. As you can see right showing on the screen, this is the image I received from them. As you can see, now the next thing you want to do is to click on verify email address. You click on verify email address, and after clicking on it, as I said earlier, you have to wait patiently for it to load so you don't miss out on the steps. So while trying to click on verify email, I had issues with the link. It was not showing. So the next thing I did was to go to my promotion. Go to promotion, then you see another email message. You can also check your spam for another message. Check your promotions for another message. So this is what I got under my promotion folder in my Gmail. As you can see right showing on the screen, now you have to click on complete step. If you get this particular message, click on complete step to get started. Do not forget, once you click on verify email and you're not able to verify, go to your promotion or your spam folder and check for another email address. Now, showing on the screen, as you can see, the email has been verified after clicking on complete process, as you can see right here. So now the next thing you want to do now is to click on verify WhatsApp. So you're going to click on verify WhatsApp to get started with this particular account. After clicking on verify, this will pop up right showing on the screen. Now the next thing you want to do now is to add your phone number and click on send code. Now, as you can see right showing on the screen, the claim limit for this free 1K challenge is rolling for 24 hours and the daily limit has been reached. So you try this after 24 hours and be rest assured that you're going to get your account started. As you can see right showing on the screen, this is Midchat in their support top. As you can see, the free 1K challenge is single phase evaluation and the rule is profit target of 10%, the daily drawdown is 3%, then the maximum drawdown is 6% trailing. For any other information or any other update that you need, you can do well to chat their support up. As you can see right here, we are having verification issue. The free 1K has daily limit, claim limit, as you can see, to keep things fair for all traders. So spots are released on a rolling 24 hours basis. So every new slot will be open after 24 hours, as you can see right here. So do well to be checking often and often so you don't miss out.